Why choosing a LIMS vendor isn't the same as building a digital lab when most labs begin their digital transformation journey. The first question they ask is, which LIMS vendor should we choose? It seems like the logical starting point. Find the software, implement it, and become a digital lab. But this approach is a trap. Selecting a LIMS, Laboratory Information Management System, is just the tip of the iceberg. The platform itself, no matter how robust or well-marketed, only accounts for about 10% of the total transformation journey. The remaining 90%, that's made up of process design, SOP harmonization, change management, validation, integration, and long-term sustainability. At Lubzen, we've seen too many organizations confuse procurement with progress. The result? Over-customized systems, poor adoption, compliance gaps, and ultimately, failure to realize ROI. Why platform selection is not the solution. A well-designed LIMS can automate tasks, streamline workflows, enforce SOPs, and ensure regulatory traceability. But if your lab processes are inconsistent, undocumented, or non-standardized, even the best system will reflect and scale that chaos. Platform selection is only valuable when it's aligned with process readiness regulatory requirements. For example, 21 CFR Part 11, GXP stakeholder needs validated design documentation, URS, FRS scalable architecture. Without these, your LIMS is just an expensive data entry tool. The risks of tool-first thinking. Too many labs buy a LIMS and expect digital transformation to happen. But here's what usually follows. Users reject the system because it doesn't match how they work. IT teams get overwhelmed customizing beyond intended scope. Audits flag validation gaps due to rushed deployments. Costs escalate from change requests and rework. Project timelines extend or collapse entirely. What's missing? Strategy. Digital labs are built, not bought. A true digital lab isn't created by selecting a platform. It's built by defining how data should flow, how teams should interact, and how compliance should be embedded, then selecting the right tools to support that vision. That means mapping SOPs to digital workflows, defining master data governance, planning integration with DLL, CDs, ERP, QMS, ensuring validation and lifecycle control, training users with real scenarios, not just feature lists. White tick mark emoji. How Lubzen helps. Lubzen is not tied to any vendor. Our role is to represent your lab's best interest, not sell you a product. We help labs and IT service teams conduct digital maturity assessments, facilitate platform-agnostic vendor evaluations, align process, compliance, and system design, build future-ready digital roadmaps that last. With decades of domain experience, we bridge the gap between what labs need and what platforms provide. Cheering megaphone emoji. Final takeaway: choosing a LIMS vendor isn't the beginning of your transformation, it's the last step of your preparation. Before you commit to software, ask, are our processes harmonized and validated? Are we buying what we understand, or just what we are shown? If you're unsure, start with strategy. Visit https://sites.google.com/view/Lubzen. Link symbol emoji. Follow at Lubzen for insights on LIMS, compliance, and lab transformation that works.